Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the power and volume button flex on the iPhone SE 3 2022 model. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, to remove the screen, apply heat to soften the adhesive. We are using a heating pad for this step. Once the heating is complete, use a suction cup or something similar to lift the front assembly. Next, gently use a plastic car pry tool to separate and loosen up rubber gaskets around the frame. Work carefully around the edges and keep in mind not to apply too much force when lifting the screen, as this could damage the internal flex cables. Next, remove the 4 screws and take out the bracket. Next, in the top right corner, undo 3 screws and remove the bracket. Next, disconnect the battery, touch, and LCD connectors from the board. Finally, to free the screen, disconnect the earpiece assembly connector from the board. For the power and volume button replacement, the logic board must be taken out from the body. First, undo 4 screws and pull out the antenna component. Next, undo 2 screws to pull out the bracket. Next, undo the screw securing the logic board on top left. Next, undo 2 screws to pull out the power volume bracket. Next, disconnect the power volume plug. Next, disconnect the camera plug. And then disconnect the flasher cable plug from the logic board. Next, Gently move the camera and flash a plug to locate the adhesive covering the logic board screw, and then unfasten the screw. Next, undo two more screws securing the board. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, disconnect the speaker, charging port and wireless connector ports from the logic board. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, remove the battery by peeling off the adhesive tapes. There are 4 adhesive tabs, 2 on the top and 2 more on the bottom side of the battery. Use your fingers or tweezer to pull out the adhesive strips. Next, undo 3 screws to pull out the flasher flex from the board. Next, undo one more screw to release the bracket from the body. Next, take out the adhesive from the volume button side. Next, undo 3 screws from the volume button side. And then 2 more screws from the power button side. Next, gently pry the flex cable from the body. This process will take time. And also be careful when prying near the back camera. Next, gently pull out the faulty power and volume flex cable from the body. Next, place and secure the new power and volume button flex on the body. Gently insert the button into the socket. Then secure the volume button side with 3 screws. Next, secure the flex on the body and then fasten 2 screws to secure the power button. Next, place and secure the flasher bracket by adding the screw. Next, secure the logic board on the body. Gently place the board while moving other cables. Next, secure 4 screws holding the logic board and also insert the SIM tray. Next, secure the power and volume plug to the logic board. Next, secure the speaker, charging port and wireless connector ports to the logic board. Next, place and secure the flasher module by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the flasher plug and camera plug into the logic board. Next, place and secure the power and volume port bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, Place and secure the antenna component by adding 4 screws. Next, place and secure the battery by adding adhesive. Next, apply the pre-cut water seal adhesive to the frame. Please note that this tape does not provide complete protection against the liquid. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug, followed by the LCD and touch connectors, and then the battery connector to the logic board. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the upper bracket by installing 2 screws. Finally, remove the protective tape and proceed to clamp the screen. First, press the top section of the screen into place. Then, press the sides and bottom simultaneously. Ensure even pressure along the frame sides for secure fit. Finally, secure 2 bottom screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.